how to add new item on Square. The first thing that you have to do is log into your account. Then click on items in inventory, select items, and then go into your item library. From here, we will choose create an item, and we have to choose the item type: prepared food and beverage, physical goods, digital, and other. For this, we will choose physical good. Click on next, and we have to change the name, or set name, sorry. We're going to do an album. The description here, you can generate either an AI description or type it out yourself. Photo album. And the location here, you can choose where you will be selling this item, either in your business location, or you can search for a location manually. The categorization here, you can sell this either as a single item or as a bundle. I will just leave it as a single item. And you can add options such as size, color, or material. If you click on add here, you can choose the different options which you have previously set up. The unit cost, the cost of the item itself, is going to be $10 in our case. This is where you set it. And if you want to add additional units, you can do that. Now, the variations here, you can choose different variation styles, and the stock, you can track it or not. If you have unlimited supply, you can toggle this. Here, modifiers, you can allow customization such as add-ons, special requests, and you can do custom attributes. You can track additional details such as book author or difficulty level for a game. Skip items detail screen. When this item is added to the cart, the first item variation along with any pre-selected modifiers will be applied. You will not be shown the item detail screen. You can toggle this on if it sounds good to you. And where it's sold, here you can click on add channels, and you can either do the Square Online site or third-party channels such as Google, Facebook, Instagram, and DoorDash. Sell online, here you can create a Square Online site, generate a payment link, or discover third-party channels. If we click on payment links here, you can create a payment link for this specific item. And subscriptions, if you have subscriptions, you can add them at the bottom. After you're done, here you can click on edit, and the image, you can either upload your own image or choose a cover for the item. You can click on save. Now, give it some time here. And as you can see, we have just created an item on Square. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.